Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to verify email address of Apple ID on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Then after you tap on the settings, you will see your name or profile at the top of the settings menu. Then simply tap on it. Then tap on the sign in and security. Inside sign in and security, you can see email and phone numbers and edit option available there. Then simply tap on the edit option. And if you have multiple email addresses associated with your Apple ID, choose the one you want to verify. And you can simply write down the email address there. And this will send a verification email to selected email address. Then simply verify your email address and return to Apple settings. And that is it. You have successfully verified the email address associated with your Apple ID on your iPhone. This ensures that your Apple ID account information is up to date and secure. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.